All right, good day, class. So what we're gonna do today, for this time being, I'm gonna discuss the basic fundamentals of arrays. So since we already done with the inputting some data using Java, we already done the if else, we already done nested if, looping, while loops, do while loops, and for loops. So right now, what we're gonna do is to simply have a programming or understanding of what array is. Okay. So now, before anything else, before we do programs, so ato sang ikuan kung what is array. So again, I'm gonna do simplify, magbisaya ako dire. But if you have lots of resources na feel ninyo nga mas masabtan, you can go to YouTube. There's lots of resources or videos there nga makasabot mo. But in this case, ganahan ko nga ihungit sa inyo ha what is really an array on this specific topic. So let's go back. Again, what is array? Array is a container object that holds a fixed number of values of a single type. Okay, from the word container, akong gingon sa una, unsa gito ng container? Sudlanan. Wala kag sudlanan, it's a variable. At the same time, this is a container object. When wala kag object, it's something like an object, then at the same time, sudlanan. Object siya nga sudlanan. Nga kanang ay dire mo holds a fixed number of values of a single type. Okay, in order for you to understand more, I have here this one. Okay. Atong buhaton is maghimo tag usa ka array. If you can see this, can you see this whole thing here, mao ni siya array nato. Mao ni siya array. Ang kani siya, kaning sud ani, panganlan na nato og index. Okay, sa ato ang program. Okay. Now, kani siyang sudlanan, this is actually the container object. Mao na siya ang sudlanan nga object. Ang panganlan nato siya og index. Ang pangalan sa ato ang object is now index. Ang pangalan sa tong array now is index. However, if you can see the numbers inside, ang naa sa babaw sa box, this is what we call indices, or per box is what we call index. So if you can see, if you can check, there is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. So there are 5 boxes, and this is what we call length. Pila ka buok ang boxes nga imong ibutang sa imong array. So there are 5 boxes, and this is what we call length. Ang length sa ato ang array nga atong ibutang diri is 5. Okay, now, the thing here is that kita as tao, as a user, we start to count from 1 to 10 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. However, computers doesn't allow that. They actually do the same thing nga iyahang i-count, pero magsugod di siya always from 0 when we talk about array. So first box, first length, this is actually index 0. Okay, again here, kani siya, usa na siya ka-index, kani siya, usa ka-index up until dire. Okay, so primero, ang pangan or ang box na to is index 0. It's because computer allow us to count from 0 up until to the, kung pila to ang length ng ato ang gi-specify. So now, ang ato ang index here or ang ato ang length here is 5, but we are actually starts to count from 0. Sayo na ni siya. Kung ang imuhang length is 5, so i-minusal ra na nimo usa, so ing ana or minusal ra nimo usa, so ing ana ang imuhang index ko to, which is 5 minus 1. So, imong index is 4. But, you need to count from 0. Okay? So, index nato diri is 5. But, the, the length here is 5. Pero, ang index nato will gonna end to index 4. So, we have index 0, index 1, index 2, 3, and 4. But the length, kung imo lang ipuntanan, so it's 5. Okay? But the whole thing, ang pangalan to ani is index. Okay? So this is actually array. So if ato ni siyang i-program, okay, so we have public class array. Public static void main string args, and then same thing, balik babaw. So here we will gonna learn how to communicate, the arrays, or the data types, at the same time those initialization to the array that we will gonna do. Okay, karon ang atong buhaton is ang katong array nga naa dire, ang kanisiya. So since yung nakit-an diya is mga whole number man, so we will gonna use the data type int. Okay? Int. So since array man na siya, ang gamito nato is kani siya nga symbol. That's the symbol for array. So since ang pangalan sa ato ang array is index, kana siya, so pangalan sa tani siya dire og index. Since object ni siya, always remember the word new, dayon int kana. So again, this is a variable at the same time object. Kani siya. Ngano man? It's because since we are actually creating an object nga sudlanan. Okay? So now, sudlan na to siya ang mga index niya. So kani siya, ang kani siya, we already instantiate an object. Pero ato iphon dire ang iyahang sulod or ang iyahang boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in order for us nga masudlan na nato og mga numbers, we will gonna put a length na 5. So we set that specific array as 5, ang pinakataas niya. Okay, now ato siyang sudlan. So since we already created an object, a variable object, so we will gonna use the index. Again, ang nailhan ni computer, mag-start siya og 0 equals to pilay so dire 9. Kani 9. So ato siyang it terminator. So what we're gonna do here is just copy and paste na lang. 2, 3, 4, 5. So ana. So dire magsugod ta og 1. Ang index 1 is equivalent to 6. So tanga to diha 6. So index 2 is equivalent to 10. Index 3 equivalent to 53. Sorry. And index 4, which is 3. Okay. Okay. If you remember, ang atong gibuhat diri is we are nagbutang ta og mga value sa ato ang per index. Okay? So ang sulod ani nga box, para sa kanang index 0 is 9. So 9 ang tag-iya sa index 0, ang tag-iya sa 6 is index 1, tag-iya sa 10 is index 2. So karon ang value ni index 0 is 9 na. Ang value sa index 1 is 6 na. Now, what we're gonna do is we ato i-try og pa-output ang kaniyang index 3. So what we gonna do here, okay, system that out that print. So index 3. So we know na index 3 ang value niya is 53. So ang mugawas dire is 53. Kay bawo man ta or kay bawo sa computer nga ang value nga gisulod nato sa index 3 is 53. Okay? So if we're gonna run this lang gamay. Okay, while waiting, just remember na ang atuang length dere is 5. So mag-ihap ta again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in computer, again, I always reiterate this that they actually start to 0. From 0, I mean. Ayun, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So that di mo maglibog, mauna siya nga nagputang taog ingani. Ang pangan sa tong array gali here is index. Then this is index 0. So niya kay 9. Index 1. So niya kay 6 up until ni index 4. So niya kay 3. If you can see, ang ninggawas is index 53. Sorry, index 3 is equals to 53. However, gusto na ko pa siyang i-simplify. Ana ko dito, maghimo kog variable nga isud na ko si index sa usa ka variable. Ana kog int num is equals to index 3. Kana. Dayon dire, ibutang na lang nako dire is num. Okay. Atong sa-usahon. Alright. So, si 53, gisud na to siya sa index 3 nga array. And index 3 now is 53. Okay, ang value niya karon is already 53. Dayon, kani siya nga index 3, ipasa pa ginato sa num, which is 53 ang sud ni index. Kung 53 ang sud ni index, gipasa na to sa num, ang sud ni num karon is also 53. And if ipagawaso na to siya sa num, I mean, kung ato siyang i-print, so 53 gyapon ang ihang labas. However, katong ilisan og 2, it should be 10 na karon kay 10 man ni siya. Ipasa na to sa index 2, which is index 2 is already 10. So index 2, karon ang value is 10, ipasa na to sa num, then si num is already 10. So if imo na siyang ipa-print, so num is equivalent to 10. Kung ato na siyang i-run, ang labas na niya is 10. Index 2 is equal to 10. Just wait for little bit. And if you have any questions on that, just let me know para makasabot mo regarding sa array. Well, this kanang kuan is very helpful kani siya kay para masabtan ninyo maayo kung asa ipasulod ang kanang specific nga number sa usa ka index. Okay, so yeah, the output now is 10. So this is what we expected. Kay mao magini siya dapat mo gawas. Okay, now this is like a manual doing inputs. Like index 0, index 1, index 2. So ang next na kong itudlo is how to use array list. Kumbaga, kani siyang 9 up until 3, dili na to siya ipasulod sa kani. Baga ato na lang siyang iusa para dili ta maglibog, dili na ta magmanumano. So it's gonna be the same thing. Tangon ta na siya kanipod. Same gyapon ang pangalan sa to ang array and index is equals to ato siyang isulod og curly braces. So karon ang curly braces ana ta dito isud nato si 9 which is index 0, dayon index 1 is 6, index 2 is 10, index 3 is 53, index 4 is 3. Okay, mas dali ni siya kay ato ra siyang gibutang og list. Okay, it's gonna be the same thing. Mana kog mukuan kog kanang variable, mana kog num is equals to index, ang kuano nako is index 1, dayon system dot out dot print, dayon num. So we know na 9 is the index 0 and index 1 is 6. So this is 6. Ipasa ra to sa num, num karon is 6 and ato siyang i-print nga mugawas dapat 6. Okay, so we already know that this is index 0, index 1, 2, 3, and index 4. However, the length that we actually put o ato asyang giset is 5. So if we're gonna run that, we are expecting na ang mudagan, ang mugawas diha is 6. Okay? Let's gonna wait. So I'm only discussing here just only for a basic array and also array list. But there are also what we called um, there is also what we called array, multi-dimensional array and two-dimensional array. But this is only one-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array I'll gonna discuss medyo gamay lang, but we will gonna focus more on pinakagamit like the method, the encapsulation, the inheritance, and the polymorphism puhon-puhon after this. We're gonna touch gamay sa two-dimensional array, but for now, I'll gonna discuss first the basic of array, then have an activity, gamay, pagkahuman kay let's proceed. All right, so we expected na mugawas is 6. So now the output is actually 6. So ganina, again, two ways para makuha na to ang array. So we do like index, we have the index object, then isud na to ang specific length niya. Index 0 is equals to 9 up until index 4 is equals to 53, and this way this specific option na index is gisulat og curly braces, and the curly braces already know kung pila ka buok ang iyahang sud, and kung pila to yang sud, so kaybaw na siya nga ang set niya sa iyahang um length is mao na siya. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can actually ask me. We do have face to face naman, but at least we do have this tutorial in order for you to kanang balik-balikon if you don't understand sa face to face nato. But I'm still here to accept questions if naglibog mo. All right, so I'll gonna post this one to our GC so that you can watch this video. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you so much and have a good day.